This shows two just experimental pieces that use another different sort of glass. This glass has an irregular texture on it. The previous one was horizontal vertical. This is more like a sort of a hammered finish. The effect of this is quite different, and the intent of these works is also different. What I'm aiming to do in these works is to present to the viewer a surface that is not able to be apprehended by the eye. By that I mean that when the viewer looks at this surface, the effects of binocular disparity actually are so intense that it's impossible to kind of see what surface is nearest and what is furthest, and they tend to shift as the viewer moves around the piece. So I'll give a little bit of a demonstration of that by rotating the camera very slightly and then pulling back. So the pattern underneath is highly magnified, and because the lines are oriented in different directions, the spatial qualities kind of shift and are extremely ambiguous. This is a different one. Depending on how one moves, shapes will emerge, stay still briefly, and then sort of recede back into this kind of turbulence of kinetic and binocular effect. So these are all kind of single objects. They're pretty ugly frames here. These are just holding frames for experiments. But like the other pieces, they're very low tech. They're just sort of singular objects, and the magic as such is entirely to do with the configuration of lenticular glass and line screen behind it.